Are you struggling to keep track of your credit card expenses in QuickBooks Online? Entering charges the right way is crucial for accurate bookkeeping and tax preparation. In this video, I'll show you a simple, step-by-step method to enter credit card charges in QuickBooks Online so your financial records stay clean and up to date. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once inside, look at the left-hand menu and click on Plus New. From the drop-down list, find and select Credit Card Expense or Expense, depending on your setup. Next, choose the credit card account you want to record the expense under. QuickBooks allows you to manage multiple credit cards, so be sure to pick the correct one. Now, fill out the essential details. Start with the payee name. This is usually the vendor or store where the purchase was made. Select the payment date, then enter the payment method if applicable. In the category field, assign the right expense category. This step is very important because it helps QuickBooks organize your charges correctly for reporting and tax purposes. For example, if the purchase was for office supplies, select that category. Enter the payment amount in the designated field, and if the purchase involved multiple categories, you can split the expense across different categories. If you have a receipt, upload it directly by clicking the attachment icon. QuickBooks will store it with this transaction for future reference, which is a great habit for audit readiness. After reviewing all the details, click Save and Close or Save and New if you want to add more charges. Always reconcile your credit card account regularly. After entering charges, go to the banking section in QuickBooks Online to match your manual entries with your actual credit card statement. This helps prevent errors and ensures your books stay accurate. And that's it. You've just learned how to properly enter credit card charges in QuickBooks Online for 2025. Keeping your expenses organized doesn't have to be complicated. Just follow these steps consistently. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who use QuickBooks. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to help.